Hello, today we're dealing with these strange 3D lines surrounding our aircraft while flying in Flight Sim 2024. These strange 3D lines flowing across our aircraft are representing the airflow, which of course is caused by our movement with the aircraft across our control surfaces, such as our elevators, our flaps, and of course our engines. This graphic is not really useful with airliners, so the most convenient thing to do while flying airliners in Flight Sim is to disable these strange and useless 3D lines. In order to do that, you just need to go to settings and then to flight interface. Scroll, okay, you just need to disable aerodynamic visualization. CFD is its acronym. By disabling this option and then saving and going back to our flight, you will not be seeing these strange 3D lines anymore. Lines like the 3D lines representing the airflow are useful while flying small planes, such as the general aviation. I don't know, for example, a Cessna 172, or maybe also a Canadair or something like that. But you can also use them while flying some helicopters. The most convenient thing you can do is just to enable and to disable it according to the aircraft you want to fly. If you want to fly an airliner, you can keep the lines disabled, but if you know you're gonna choose a helicopter, I don't know, maybe a air balloon or a general aviation, my advice is to evaluate the lines and eventually activate them in the settings panel just by clicking settings, flight interface, and activating this toggle aerodynamic visualization. That's all for today's tutorial. It's been really quick but really useful at the same time. Hope to see you next time. Bye bye.